Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to all of us, our health. We all have one body and one life to live, and it's crucial to take care of ourselves to lead a fulfilling and happy life. Taking charge of our well being doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. There are small, actionable steps we can take to prioritize our health in the midst of our busy lives. In this video, we'll explore the importance of health and healthy habits, emphasizing the value of investing in our well-being. We'll discuss 10 simple habits that can be incorporated into our daily routines to enhance overall health and foster a sense of well-being. Our health is our most valuable asset, and by taking care of our bodies, we're essentially investing in a better future. Good health isn't just the absence of illness, it's a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. It's essential to recognize that a proactive commitment to health not only enhances our daily lives, but also ensures longevity and a higher quality of life in the long run. Number 1, regular exercise. Regular exercise is a key ingredient for a healthier lifestyle. You don't need to transform into a fitness expert overnight. Just start by adding simple activity like brisk walking, jogging, or dancing to your daily routine. These activities not only contribute to better cardiovascular health and a more positive mood, but also play a crucial role in managing your weight effectively. Additionally, regular exercise enhances your overall well-being, promoting better sleep, increased energy levels, and a stronger immune system. Remember, it's about making gradual changes that you can sustain in the long run. Number 2, balanced diet. To maintain a balanced diet, ensure your meals include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, a healthy diet provides essential nutrients for energy, growth, and disease prevention. In addition, try to limit your intake of processed foods and sugary snacks, as they can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Making thoughtful food choices not only supports our overall well-being, but also promotes a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Number 3, hydration. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. It helps with digestion, regulates body temperatures, and keeps your skin looking great. Water is like the superhero of beverages, swooping in to save the day by flushing down toxins from your body and keeping your organs functioning smoothly. Imagine it as the lubricant for your body's engine, ensuring all the gears work seamlessly. Moreover, proper hydration aids in concentration and boosts energy levels, acting as a natural pick-me-up throughout the day. So, make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you wherever you go to keep your health in top-notch condition. Number 4, adequate sleep. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to allow your body to repair and recharge. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and overall growth. Additionally, sufficient rest helps regulate hormones that control appetite, reducing the likelihood of overeating and promoting weight management. Lack of sleep can impact cognitive function, affecting your concentration and decision-making abilities. Make it a priority to establish a consistent sleep routine to support both your physical and mental well-being. Number 5, stress management. Manage stress effectively, whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking breaks. Find what works for you to keep stress at bay. It's essential to recognize the triggers that elevate your stress levels, such as tight deadlines or overwhelming tasks. Consider creating a daily routine that includes short relaxation exercises or mindfulness moments to proactively address stress before it accumulates. Experiment with different techniques and identify a personalized stress relief toolkit that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Additionally, maintaining a healthy work-life balance can contribute significantly to stress management. Number 6, limit alcohol and quit smoking. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Excessive drinking can lead to various health issues, and if you smoke, consider quitting. Your lungs will thank you. Additionally, cutting down on alcohol can improve your sleep quality and boost your overall energy levels. It also helps in maintaining a healthy weight as alcohol beverages are often high in calories. Moreover, quitting smoking not only benefits your respiratory system, but also enhances your sense of taste and smell over time. Furthermore, reducing alcohol intake and quitting smoking contribute to better mental health by reducing the risk of anxiety and depression. Number 7, regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your health care provider. Prevention is key, and early detection of potential health issue can make a significant difference. These appointments give your doctor the chance to monitor your health and catch any potential issues before they become more serious. By staying proactive and attending these checkups, you are taking important steps towards preventing health problems and ensuring a healthier future. Remember that prevention is not only about addressing existing health issues, but also about adopting a proactive mindset towards your well-being. Number 8, stay socially connected. Building and nurturing positive relationships with friends, family, and colleagues can significantly impact your overall happiness. Social interactions provide a sense of belonging and support that contribute to mental well-being and can reduce feeling of loneliness. Sharing experiences, laughter, and even challenges with others can create a strong support system, fostering a positive and uplifting environment in your life. Remember that connections with others not only enrich your social life, but also contribute to a healthier and happier you. Number 9, sun protection. Protecting yourself from the sun is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Always remember to use sunscreen with a high SPF to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Additionally, opt for protective clothing like hats and sunglasses to provide an extra layer of defense against the sun's intense rays. It's important to be mindful of the time you spend in direct sunlight, especially during peak hours when the sun rays are strongest. By taking these simple precautions, you not only safeguard your skin from potential damage, but also significantly lower the risk of developing skin cancer in the long run. Embracing sun protection habits is a small yet impactful investment in your skin's overall well-being. Number 10, practice gratitude. Lastly, practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to appreciate the positive aspect of your life. Gratitude has been linked to improved mental health and life satisfaction. When you reflect on the good things, it helps shift your focus away from stress and challenges. By acknowledging and being thankful for the little joys like a tasty meal or a friendly gesture, you're actively boosting your overall well-being. Incorporating gratitude into your routine can create a positive mindset and make you more resilient in the face of daily ups and downs. So, don't forget to give a mental high five to the good stuff happening in your life. Taking care of our bodies and prioritizing our health is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for a happy and fulfilling life. By incorporating these simple habits into our daily routine, we can invest in a healthier, happier future. Remember, we all have one body and one life to live. Let's make the most of it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay healthy.